Most YouTubers are working 10 times harder than they need to. And the crazy part? The people beating them, they're working less. Not because they're smarter, not because they have bigger teams, because they found the right tools. And today, I'm handing you exactly those tools. 10 AI tools. Most people have never heard of them, but after this video, you will. And you'll never make content the same way again. Stay with me, because we're starting with the one that changed everything for us. You know this pain. Let's be real for a second. Video production is exhausting. You film, you realize the audio is bad, you refilm, then you sit down to edit, and 3 hours disappear, just like that. Then there's the script, the thumbnail, the captions, the voiceover if your voice wasn't great that day, the B-roll, the color grading. And if you're a business owner trying to create content on top of running your business, forget it. This is why most people quit before they even get momentum. It's not lack of talent, it's not lack of ideas, it's the weight of production. But here's what nobody tells you. AI has quietly solved most of these problems, and most creators are still doing everything the hard way. Not anymore. What you're getting today. Here's exactly what I'm going to give you today. 10 AI tools, broken down simply, no tech jargon, that cover every stage of video production. Scripting, voiceover, editing, repurposing, even thumbnail generation. And I'm not just going to list them and bounce. I'll tell you how we actually use these inside Beep 10 Studio, so you see what real implementation looks like. By the end of this video, you'll have a full AI toolkit to either use yourself or know what to look for when you're finally ready to outsource. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 and 2, the script writers. All right, tool number 1, and this one's a game changer if you hate scripting. It's called Beams AI. Most people know ChatGPT. They throw a prompt in, get a paragraph, and call it a script. That's not a script, that's a draft with delusions of grandeur. Beams AI is different because it's built specifically for video. It understands hooks, retention patterns, pacing. You tell it your topic, your audience, your tone, and it builds a structured video script with timestamps, pattern interrupts, everything. We use something similar inside Beep 10 Studio when we're developing client content calendars. The goal is always, how do we get a high-quality first draft fast so the human can make it feel real? That's the key. AI gives you the 80%. You add the 20% that makes it yours. But wait, scripting is only one problem. What about your actual voice? Tool number 2. This one's for creators who either hate their voice on camera or just can't record every single day. Meet ElevenLabs. If you haven't heard of it, it's a voice cloning and AI voiceover platform, and it is scary good. You can clone your own voice, train it on a few minutes of audio, and then generate narration just by typing. Your voice reading whatever you want without you ever sitting in front of a mic. Or you can choose from hundreds of studio-quality AI voices. This is huge for faceless YouTube channels, educational content, documentary-style videos, any format where you don't need to be on camera. Inside Beep 10, when clients send us a script but can't do a clean voiceover recording, this is how we fill the gap without losing their brand voice. The output quality? Honestly, if I played it right now, you wouldn't know. Tool number 3 and 4, the video builders. Okay, real talk. This next one blew our minds the first time we used it. Pictory AI. Here's what it does. You paste in a script or drop a blog post URL, and it automatically generates a full video with stock footage, captions, transitions, even music in minutes. Not perfect right out of the box, but as a starting foundation for content, incredible. This works particularly well for repurposing. Think about it. You already have a podcast episode, a blog post, a long YouTube video. Pictory can chop that into highlight clips, short-form content, teasers, automatically. That's content multiplication. One piece of content becomes 10 without 10 times the work. Now, what if you could build entire videos just by talking? Now, this one is something we've been testing at Beep 10 for certain client deliverables. Tool number 4, HeyGen. HeyGen lets you create AI avatar videos. You build a photorealistic digital version of yourself or a custom presenter, and it lip syncs to any script you feed it. That means no filming, no lighting setup, no "I look tired today." Just upload your script, hit generate, and you have a presenter-quality video. This is transforming corporate video production, e-learning content, and multilingual channels because HeyGen can also translate and dub your avatar into different languages. Same face, different language, perfect lip sync. Wild, right? Look, I know what you're thinking. Doesn't this feel fake? The truth is, audiences care about value. If your content is clear, useful, and well-produced, they'll watch. Format is secondary. Tool number 5 and 6, the editors. Editing, the thing that kills most creators' schedules. Tool number 5 is one that professional video teams are quietly swearing by, Descript. Here's the concept. Descript turns your video into a text document. You edit the text, you edit the video. Delete a sentence from the transcript, that clip disappears from the timeline. That's simple. No timeline scrubbing, no frame-by-frame cuts. But that's not even the coolest part. Descript has an AI feature called overdub, which means if you flub a line, you don't re-record. You type the correction and it regenerates your voice, saying it perfectly. It also removes filler words, ums, ahs, awkward pauses, with one click. This is exactly what we'd recommend for any creator who is doing their own editing. It drops your editing time by 60 to 70%, and the output is genuinely clean. 60 to 70% faster. That's hours back every week.
Tool number 6. This one's for short-form creators and Reels people. Opus Clip. You upload a long video. Opus Clip uses AI to watch it and then automatically selects the most engaging moments and clips them into short-form vertical content. It scores each clip based on virality potential, analyzing hooks, emotional peaks, quotable moments. Then it adds animated captions, reformats for vertical, and gives you 10 to 15 ready-to-post short-form clips from one long video, automatically. This is literally the repurposing workflow we use at Beep 10 Studio for clients who do long-form content, podcast recordings, webinars, long YouTube videos. We run it through Opus Clip and instantly generate a month's worth of short-form content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. The reach multiplier is insane. Tool number 7 and 8, the creative assistants. Quick question, how long do you spend making thumbnails? Most creators spend anywhere from 45 minutes to 2 hours per video. That's not sustainable. Tool number 7, Thumbnail AI, also called Thumbnail Test or Magic Thumbnails depending on the platform. These tools generate click-worthy YouTube thumbnail concepts from your video title. Some of them will even A/B test your thumbnails to tell you which one gets more clicks before you publish. Higher CTR means more views. More views means growth. And the thumbnail is the single biggest variable in whether someone clicks your video, even ahead of the title. This is exactly the kind of detail we obsess over at Beep 10 when we're delivering final video packages. A great edit with a weak thumbnail is a missed opportunity. By the way, if you're finding this useful, the subscribe button is right there. More of this coming every week. Tool number 8, Notion AI, specifically for content planning and ideation. Now, you might know Notion as a project management tool, but Notion AI turns it into your full content operations center. You can prompt it to generate 30 video ideas from a single niche keyword, outline a content calendar, write your video descriptions and SEO metadata, draft your email newsletter based on your script. It's your creative partner that never gets tired, never has creative block, and doesn't charge overtime. Inside Beep 10 Studio, our content strategy process starts with a similar AI-assisted brainstorm. We figure out what the client's audience actually wants to see, and we build a roadmap around that. Not guesswork, data and AI together. That combination is what separates channels that grow from channels that stagnate. Tool number 9 and 10, the automation closers. We're almost at 10. Stay with me because tools 9 and 10 are where things get genuinely futuristic. Tool number 9, Runway ML. Runway is a video generation and editing studio. You can remove backgrounds without a green screen, add cinematic visual effects to regular footage, generate B-roll video just from a text prompt. Type aerial shot of a city at sunset, cinematic 4K. Hit generate. You have B-roll. For creators who don't have big production budgets, no drone, no camera crew, no location scout, Runway lets you compete with productions that cost 10 times more. We're talking AI-generated visuals that used to require a full motion graphics team. This is the kind of tool that levels the playing field completely. You don't need a big budget, you need the right tools. And finally, tool number 10, Make, formerly Integromat. This one ties everything together. Make is a no-code automation platform.
Think of it as the glue between all your AI tools. You build workflows called scenarios that trigger automatically. For example, a new video uploads to YouTube, Make automatically sends the transcript to Notion, generates a blog post, posts a short caption to Instagram, sends an email to your list. One upload, 5 content pieces, 0 manual work. Inside Beep 10 Studio, automation is a core part of how we help clients scale their content output without scaling their workload. The goal is always do the creative work once and let automation carry it everywhere. This is how small teams punch above their weight, and it's how you go from posting once a week to being everywhere without burning out. The Beep 10 Studio integration. Now, I want to be transparent with you for a second. Everything I just walked you through, this is the stuff we live inside daily at Beep 10 Studio. We're a video production agency that specializes in helping content creators and businesses build video systems that actually run. Not just one good video, a whole machine. And here's what we see over and over. People know what they need to do. They know they need to post consistently. They know video is the highest ROI content format right now. They know their audience wants more from them. But between the filming, the editing, the scripting, the SEO, the thumbnails, the repurposing, life happens, business happens, energy runs out, and the channel goes quiet. That's exactly the gap we fill. Our workflow is simple. You record, or we handle strategy, and we handle everything else. Script, edit, captions, optimization, short-form clips, delivered, ready to upload. You stay in your zone of genius. We handle the production machine behind you. And with AI integrated into our process, our turnaround times are faster and the quality is higher than what most in-house editors can produce working solo. Not because we're special, because we've built the right system. The close that doesn't feel like a close. So, here's where I leave you. If you're the kind of person who loves learning tools and building your own system, start with Descript and Opus Clip. Those two alone will transform your workflow immediately. Layer in 11 Labs, Pictory, and Notion AI as you scale. And if you want to go deep on automation, Make is your best friend. But if you're watching this and thinking, I don't have time to set all this up, I just want someone to handle it, that's exactly what Beep 10 Studio is here for. We work with YouTubers, businesses, coaches, and brands who are serious about showing up consistently on video and need a professional team behind them to make that happen. The link to connect with us is in the description. No pressure, no pitch call scripts, just a conversation about where you are and what you need. And if nothing else, just take these 10 tools, go test one this week. That's it. One tool. See what it changes. Because the gap between creators who blow up and creators who stay stuck isn't talent, it's systems. Build yours. If you found this useful, and I mean actually useful, not just, yeah, that was fine, hit subscribe. We put out content specifically on AI, video strategy, and content systems every week. Drop a comment below. Which of these 10 tools are you starting with first? I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next one.